Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Binance account in the US. First, you need to go to the correct website instead of just searching Binance. Make sure you type binance.us. The reason for this is that there are two different platforms, Binance and Binance US. Binance was actually restricted in the US in 2019, so they launched Binance US specifically to comply with US regulations and serve American users. Once you are on the Binance US website, look at the top right corner and click on the sign up button. If you already have an account, you can log in, but most likely you will need to create a new one. Now enter your email address and choose a strong password to get started. After that, you will need to confirm your age by checking the box that says you are over 18, then click on Create Account. This will take you to a verification step where you need to confirm your email address. Go to your email inbox and find the 6-digit verification code sent by Binance US. Enter that code on the website to verify your account. Once you do that, your Binance US account will be successfully created. Now you can start using your account to buy and sell crypto, trade assets, hold funds, or even stake your crypto for rewards. You can also transfer funds between wallets and explore different features available on the platforms. Thanks for watching.